Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking here at Cooley Elementary School in Waterford, Michigan. Got to address the kindergarten through fifth graders today and the staff. Beautiful afternoon. Got to share my heart on the topic of bullying and really truly looking at people for the heart first. And if you move back over here, we're just in the main lobby here when you first walk past the office. Outside the cafeteria, you see all these peace signs up above here for Cooley, and it's really awesome because that's really where kindness has to start and where peace has to start, is inside the heart. And our heart being as big as our fist, that if we're able to let love and peace and kindness and compassion and respectfully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? And the peace sign, one finger ourself and the other one for someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. And then we have the opportunity to lift them up higher than ourselves, right? Or to bring them down by the things that we say and do. So it was just that really, truly honor to get to address so many of them on this important topic and really start to hear their hearts, because a lot of them reached out to me after the talk and had a lineup for almost an hour afterwards of them spilling their heart with me and sharing things that they've been through or are going through, but really things that are beyond their control, whether they've been bullied for this reason or that reason. And it's just things, circumstances that they can't control, and really don't have to take it personal. When they start to understand that there's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them matter, and that all they really need to remember is their worth and their value, then they can start to put themselves in that other person's shoes who's hurting, the hurt people that hurt people, and then choose to forgive them and show them kindness and become healed people who heal people. And that's people that see everybody around us as human beings before anything else, like the shirt says here, one race human, that see people as best friends, and that see people for this too. The M on all of our palms, the M for miracle, the lines on all of our hands, we have the letter M, upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And it's a constant reminder right on our palms that we have this worth, we have this value, and that now that we believe that we're good enough, now it's our job, the Cooley crew, right, to go up and start to help others see that they're great enough too. Be the light to their hearts, be that symbol of peace in their life, and be that beacon of hope, and that sign and symbol of really true courage. So thanks for touching my heart. It's where kindness is in bloom here at Cooley. It says it right there. And hope to see you guys again soon. Make sure to follow and subscribe to all the latest happenings and great things that are coming up on the link that's going to pop up here, along with visiting the website. Don't forget to ring the bell for other notifications and other amazing videos like the playlist above here that you can follow and keep track of my journey as I keep sharing my heart across this country. Thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you soon. Peace.